Hey, I'm not cooking today. Today's my day off. Nah, I don't really have day off. Chefs don't take days off. Listen, before I get started, it's a good story, okay? I go on vacation. I go on vacation with the wife, sometimes with the kids, and sometimes it'll just be like visiting someone. And I go to their house and they tell me, oh, don't cook, you're on vacation, don't cook. Listen, that's what I do. That's what I am, right? I cook all the time. It helps me relax. It helps me focus. I love to do it. I love to cook for people. So when I go on vacation, my friends tell me, hey, I go visit somebody's house and they go tell me, hey, don't cook. It's all right, you're on vacation. Oh, no way, man. I'm cooking. That's what I do. So, today I'm on vacation, but I'm cooking. Not really cooking, I'm kind of putting something together here. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring that bell, because today's video, wow, it's a doozy. Bone broth. How many people do I know that drink bone broth? Amazing, very popular. And bone broth is pretty good for you. It's got some good features. But what if you're a vegan? Or what if you just don't want to eat all that beef? You say, well, it's not beef, it's in a broth. No, it's still beef. All the things you don't want to eat about beef, it's in that broth. So, for those who are vegan or almost vegan or just don't want to eat all that beef, I have an alternative. I have an awesome bone broth that's boneless. So let's get cooking. Okay, so to make this bone broth right, I'm going to cook it in a slow cooker. I'm going to cook it for 12 hours, very low, to extract as much flavor and vitamins and nutrients as I can and make this broth very flavorful. I'm an awesome guy, what can I tell you? We got a list of, listen, this is a long list of ingredients here. Don't forget, the list of ingredients is in the description below. So you can scroll down, get that list of ingredients, go to the supermarket and pick up what you need. Try to make it easy for you so you can make this. This is delicious. Listen, instead of coffee in the morning, you have a cup of this, man. If you have that, if you do that every day, you're going to be the healthiest person around, man. You're going to live to, I think the oldest person on record lived to 117. I think that's the oldest person on record. You could be the person that lives to 118. That's fantastic. I don't know, man. That's an old age. Okay, anyway. See, I start with my slow cooker here. And I'm starting with 3 carrots, and I cut them into just big chunks. Hey, notice the skin is still on them. I just washed them. I don't have to peel them, okay? I want maximum nutrients, and the maximum nutrient is right under the skin, so I don't want to peel them. I just want to wash them really good and cut them nice chunks. Along with the carrot, I'm putting in 1 can of peeled plum tomato. 28-ounce can, whole can, but look at that. I drained it. I want to get the maximum tomato nutrition out of the tomato, so I cut them in half. Now this is why people add beef bones to their beef bone broth. The collagen. Collagen is necessary for good skin. But what people don't realize is that your body makes its own collagen. You don't have to eat collagen. Your body makes it. So the carrots and the tomato will aid your body in making collagen. So you don't need the beef. You can just use carrots and tomato. And your body, the amazing thing it is, will make its own collagen. Hey, that's terrific. Let's continue. Now we need some ingredients that's going to help our digestion. And at the same time, great antioxidants. Firstly, I'm going to put in ginger. 1 nice big walnut-sized piece of ginger, and I sliced it up into like 4 slices. There you go, look at that. Fresh ginger, wonderful. Hey, that smells delicious. Then I have celery. 3 celery ribs. Wash them and just cut them into like 2-3-inch pieces. And then 1 red onion, just quarter it. You don't even need to peel it. The peel's got a lot of nutrition in it. Just quarter it. And that ginger, celery, and onion have a lot of antioxidants. Wonderful. Very healthy. It's also going to help in your digestion. Good stuff. Good stuff. Now I need something that's going to boost my immune system. That's important. And I'm going to use 3 cloves of garlic. Hey, look what I did. I just smashed them. Leave the skin on. Skin's good for you. The next 2 ingredients really help repair your cells. That's what I put them in for, to help repair cells. And the first thing is a jalapeno. I just cut it in half. Leave those seeds in. Give you a little spice. You need a little spice in your life. Leave those seeds in. 1 jalapeno. Just cut it in half. And then dried shiitake mushrooms. This is 3 ounces, okay? It seems like a lot, but dried shiitake mushroom, when you take out the water, they're very light, okay? Here you go. Now this is the expensive part of this broth. But what you can do is, once the broth is done, take out the shiitake mushrooms, save them, use them for something else, a stir fry or something like that. So you're not going to waste them. You're going to get the flavor out of them into the broth and the nutrition. And then you're going to use the shiitake mushrooms in some other dish. And once again, the shiitake mushrooms and the jalapeno repair your cells, baby. It takes your cells that are damaged, it fixes them right up. That's awesome. I'll throw it right in there. There you go. Wakame seaweed. I think that's how you pronounce it. Wakame. Anyway, it's a seaweed. Wonderful. If you can't find wakame, use whatever seaweed you can find. Need about 2.5, 3 ounces. That was a 7-ounce package, so I used half the package. Also, a little expensive, but it's very good. It's delicious. It's good. It's very heart healthy. The point about seaweed, where it gets its bad reputation from, it's pretty salty. It comes from the sea. Grows in salty water. So it's pretty salty. But I'm not adding any other salt to this recipe. So that seaweed will also give the recipe a nice flavor and very heart healthy. Awesome stuff. Yeah. Seaweed. It's the vegetable of the sea. I like that. They're wonderful. Like these little black flakes. Look at that. Woo. Fantastic. You know this ingredient was going to make its way into this broth sooner or later. And that is turmeric. But not just turmeric. You can't put just turmeric in there. You have to put black pepper with it. Turmeric, I'm not even going to explain it to you. Just Google it. There's so many health benefits. You just add it because, man, it's terrific. It is the essential vitamin nutrient supplement. It's just the best supplement ever. So I like to add turmeric whenever I can to anything, including this broth. And black pepper, very important, because black pepper helps your body digest the turmeric. Okay. Hey, I wear the glasses. Makes me look smarter. We're doing a science experiment here. We need to look smart. Okay, now, one other very important thing to add. Water. You gotta add water. Hey, don't go to your faucet and use tap water. I'll give you a story, okay? I work with this lady who, hey, Diana! Ha! I work with this lady who went to the store and bought Irish soda bread because it's about St. Patrick's time. And she ate it, and you know what? It had a little bit of an off flavor. And she felt maybe it's because they used a little bit of tap water in it. And tap water, especially where I am in New York, has a lot of chlorine in it. It's going to give a little off flavor. So, thank you, Diana, for making sure that I use the right water. Now, I have a Poland Spring dispenser. And I need a good 10 cups of water in here, maybe a little more. We'll see what happens. But 10 cups of water to start with. I use Poland Spring. You can use any bottled water, any mineral water, but a good water. Don't just use tap water because it's going to give you an off flavor. And the chlorine would probably kill a lot of the vitamins that are in here. That's 4 cups. That's 8 cups. And then that's 2 cups, so 10 cups in total. Okay, now, last thing about water. Very important to put that water in cold. Because if you put it in like hot already, you're not going to get the maximum extraction of all the vitamins and nutrients. You put it in cold, and while it's heating up, it's going to extract a lot of the vitamins and nutrients and stuff as it starts to heat up. And I like to use a slow cooker for this. If you don't have a slow cooker, go out and buy one. No, you can get a slow cooker. They're not expensive. This is a big slow cooker. You can get a slow cooker on Amazon, $50 or so, give or take. And you can use a slow cooker. Use it for a lot of things. If not, just put it on your stove and put it on a nice low fire, very low fire. Keep an eye on it, because I don't want it to burn or anything like that. Slow cook is very nice. I set it and forget it. 12 hours on low. It's going to be beautiful. Now, when it's done, we're not finished with it yet, because when it's done, we got to add a couple of things that we cannot add now because I don't want to cook it. And that is the probiotics. Because when you cook probiotics, you kill the bacteria, and that kills the probiotic benefits. Okay, anyway. I got coconut aminos. What are coconut aminos? It's basically, very basically, fermented coconut. Little salt added. Wonderful. I'm just going to throw in like a tablespoon. After it's done, strained, and cooled down, I throw in a tablespoon of coconut aminos. The other thing I have to add? Organic miso paste. Very nice. Okay, so 12 hours. Hey, I can do a lot of damage in 12 hours. But I'll see you in 12 hours. This is going to smell terrific. It's going to be so healthy. You drink this, man. Hey, you know what? This could be a substitute for coffee in the morning if you're not, like, if you don't want to drink too much coffee. So you have a cup of coffee maybe during the day. But in the morning you want something different. Start off the day a little healthy. This could be it. Okay, I'll see you in 12 hours. Okay, it's been 12 hours. You know how I know it's been 12 hours? It's morning time. Awesome. And I got a cup of coffee. Hey, now, maybe during the week, I might not have a cup of coffee. I might use this boneless broth instead. That'll be awesome. Coffee's terrible. Okay, so I finished cooking this, and then I cooled it down a lot. And what I have to do is use this. This is chinois. Hey, look how fine that is. It's a real fine strainer. Call it chinois. Very nice. The idea is to strain the broth into the bowl. Wonderful. Okay. Remember that started out as clear water. Look at it now. That's all the goodness from all those vegetables and ingredients. I told you about the coconut aminos and white miso. Now this is just warm. This is about 120 degrees. That's perfect. You don't want it too much hotter because if it gets too hot, it's going to kill the probiotics. Only one thing left to do. You know what? It tastes pretty good. It tastes like a bone broth. It really does. But it's not. It's boneless broth. It's wonderful. No meat. Vegan. Very healthy. Very good for you. So you have about a cup in the morning. Heat it up. Don't heat it up in a microwave. Microwave may kill some of the probiotics and some of the vitamins. So don't heat it in the microwave. Put it in a little pot and heat it up. Not all the way, just so it's nicely warm, like 120 degrees. A little warmer than room temperature. And it's going to be delicious. And that's a real healthy beverage for morning time, afternoon, evening, whatever. Don't drink it like a beer. Think of it as like a vitamin supplement. You don't want to just drink a couple of glasses a day. Just 1 8-ounce glass in the morning. It's going to be beautiful. Refrigerate it before you heat it up. Make sure you mix it up. And don't heat it in the microwave. Heat it on the stovetop because the microwave might kill some of the probiotics, might kill some of the vitamins and nutrients in there. So heat it on the stovetop, a little pan. Don't boil it. Just heat it to 120 degrees or so. Just a little warmer than room temperature. And enjoy. Just have like an 8-ounce cup each morning. Make it part of your routine. And it'll be wonderful. You'll see the changes. Wonderful. Great stuff. Make you feel really good. Enjoy. And don't forget, I have a chicken soup recipe if you like that. If you want another soup kind of thing, I have a chicken soup recipe. Vegan. Awesome. Check out that video. And I'll see you there. Wink, wink.